What's up, guys? Kevin Normal here. I'm gonna go outside for a minute and show you this cloud. The cloud's insane, right, dude?
Yeah.
That's my puppy.
Completely insane.
Not my puppy, but my family's puppy. Where'd Mom go? Thundercloud! Maybe a funnel cloud, we don't know. See that cloud straight ahead? That could be... No, I don't think so. We usually don't get tornadoes around here. You probably can hear the thunder. Yep, over there. We had a thunderstorm last night and it was bad, but we got a lot of rain. I just want to show you guys my yard before it rains. I was just showing them the thundercloud.
Oh.
Say hi to my puppy. I'm gonna get a better view of the cloud. Yep, that's it. What? Okay. Yep. Yeah, that's definitely a thundercloud. Ugh. Mom, Sean's shirt's out here.
Oh, what is that?
Yeah. A bad thundercloud. Ugh. She keeps staring me down. What are you looking at?
Who?
Tassie.
Staring at you?
Yeah. Here. She keeps staring at me because I'm making video. I don't really care. Tough poop. Now it's thundering and lightning. Not light. I just got wet, so I think that's a rain. Yeah, you can tell it's thunderstorm. Where should I put this? No, my dad's trying to make lightning. No. We got here with the thunder and lightning storm. Oh, it's raining. I'm gonna go hide. I'm gonna go camp over there. You guys, it's raining. It's raining, suckers. Oh man. Yep, that's definitely a thundercloud. So I'm gonna make another part 2 of this video. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Peace.